Hello everyone. Now it's time for our Eskrima-Kali-Arnis 12 basic defense. Okay? So from the 12 basic attacks or 12 basic strikes, thrust, now we're going to do the defense. Okay? 12 basic defense. Let's get started. So from here on, from this position, so you or I am assuming that I have my opponent in front of me, okay, and he's going to deliver his strikes or thrusts, and I'm going to do my simulation defense. So I'm going to defend myself. Okay, so this is what you're going to imaginary defending myself, okay, for this training video, right? And hope you can follow. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment below, right? So number one, okay, inside block. One, okay, notice the posture, okay, inside block. Two, outside block. Two. Three, the same but lower, okay, inside block to defend the shoulder attack. Three. Four, the same with number two, outside block but lower, okay. Right, back to normal stance. Number five, inside parry. Inside parry. Notice the posture. Notice my checking hand. This is my garrote hand. And this is my checking hand, my left hand. Check, 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 check. Ready for disarming. Six, outside parry. Notice the posture. Okay. My stance is on like a horseback riding stance. Horseback riding stance or a straddle stance. See, this is my garrote hand. This is my checking hand. Normal stance. Then downward block. 7. Downward block. Downward block. Back to normal stance. 8. Reverse downward block. Downward block. Block. Downward block. Next, 8. 9. Upward parry. Okay? Parry. This is not a block, but this is a parry. See? It's like a circular motion. Parry. My garrote hand, my checking hand. Ready to grab the opponent's stick for disarming. Okay? Understand? Then, outside parry. Upward, outside parry. This is upward, parry, reverse, reverse, upward parry. Garrote hand, circular motion, with checking hand, check, check. Next is rising block. Rising block to protect from the head attack, head shot. Then next, reverse, rising block. So those are the 12 basic defense from a strikes and from the thrust. Okay, let's do it again. So from normal stance, 1, inside block, upward, outside block, upward, inside block, that's lower, no? The other one is upper, then not lower. Then outside block, lower. 5, downward parry. Downward parry. Notice circular motion. Circular. 6, reversed downward parry. Notice is a circular motion, downward parry. 7, downward black, black. So it's different from the parry, so black, downward black. 8, reverse downward black, just black, straight, reverse downward black. Right? 9, upward parry, upward parry. Notice the circular motion. Yeah. Then reverse upward parry, circular motion. Then 11, rising black, rising black. 12, reverse rising black. Alright? So that's the 12 basic defense. 12 basic defense. Coming from strikes or thrusts. And there are more other defense or blocks. Like the X block. You know? X block. Or the umbrella block. See that? Umbrella or payong. See that? Let's say I'm going to thrust. Thrust. See? This is the umbrella block. A rising block. Woo! Like a Jackie Chan. See that? Let's say I'm going to thrust. Thrust then. Woo! See that? So, here. Let's say I'm going to do the thrust. So, that's the umbrella block. A payong. Payong. See? Thrust. Umbrella. See? See that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Eskrima-Kali-Arnis 12 basic defense, plus a bonus of additional blocks defense. Please don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel for more Eskrima-Kali-Arnis. See you in the next exercise.